Hi friends, I'm your 14 series 147. I'm going to explain the second experiment of web technology, that is to create a website for a company, and from that we are directed to a form to fill the details. So that first we are creating the website for the company. We are giving the background as an image. For that body background equal to URL of that image. Then we are dividing this website into different rows by using table, and in the first row we are giving the logo and the name of the company. For logo we are using image tag, and we are copying the URL and setting the width and height. And for name of the company we are using heading tag, that is the highest heading tag H1. Then after that in the next row we are giving the links for that company, that is given in the anchor tag, and href equal to URL of that link, and then a link, likewise 3 links are created. After that in the input type we are giving search, and a search box is given with placeholder search box. Then after that in the next row we are going to give video, some details about that company, and an audio. In the video we are setting width, height, and controls src, that is the URL of the image and the type of the video. Similarly for audio, src, that is URL of the image and the type of the audio. And in the p tag we are giving the information about that company. And then after that in the next row we are giving a contact us information. This is given paragraph by paragraph, so it will be appearing one by one. Then in that we are giving the mail id and telephone number, that is given in the anchor tag. After that we are creating a small form to direct from this form to another form to register things. This is given in a field set, and the name is given as sign up in the legend tag. And thus a form is a method get, that is it is visible to all. The action, that is it is this is directed to the lab2 form, and the username is given as input type equal to text, and we can enter the name, password, input type equal to password. Then we are creating a submit button, that is named as register. Then we are closing the form. After that field set we are giving the Google map, that is given in iframe, so that we can download it from see it from other website if we give it inside the iframe. After that for form, for creating a form, first we are using an field set, that is for personal details. Then there we are giving first name, middle name, last name, and this is the whole having the input type as text, and the placeholder values are given. Then we give the date of birth. Here the input type is a date. After that we give the age. Here the input type is number. Then gender is a radio button, that is input type to radio. Name should be given as same for both gender. Value can differ, so male and female. If you want to mark any of this as checked, then just give checked here. And next field set is for address. Before that we are giving a meter. In that meter 20% of this form is completed. After that address details, in that we have address, city, state, and code. For address, city, and state we have the type as text, and for the code we have the type as number. Then after that field set, in that we are giving contact details. There we have the phone number, mobile number, and email ID. And phone number and mobile number, this have the input type as tel, and the placeholder values are given. And the email address as input type equal to email, and the placeholder holder is a valid email should be entered. Then a website, for that input type equal to text. And after this again a meter is given, that is 60% of the form is completed. After that we are going to enter the educational details. This educational details are entered in a table. For that we have this columns: qualification, board or university, country, starting year, ending year, and percentage. So input type equal to, in the checkbox we are giving it is 10th. And after that input type, that is for board or university, it is a we are giving it as options, so that first we can give the options like different boards like India, UK, USA. And after that the starting date and the ending date. After that we are giving input type equal to number. For the percentage, minimum is 70 and the maximum is 100. Placeholder value is given. Similarly, checkboxes and things are created for 12th, B.Tech and M.Tech. The same thing pattern is followed. Then after that, we are giving next row. In that we are giving the thing to the link to upload the file, so that attach resume in PDF format. So here we can input type is equal to file. This is to upload the file, and the placeholder value is choose a file and then to upload. After that, a checkbox is given to confirm that we have filled all the values. And after that, a meta tag is given, that is the 100% of the form filling is completed. And then input type equal to submit, where a value equal to submit, that is for submitting the form. After that, input type equal to reset, this is for clearing the form if there is any clearance. After and now we can run this program. We are directed to the web page. Here we have the logo. Here we have the company name, and here we have the video. Then here we have the audio. Here the details about the company, and if we are playing this audio, it will be like the audio is played. Now here the audio is played. And here we have the contact us details. Here we have the smaller form where we have to register for the bigger form. Here we have the Google Map. So if we give it, if we're giving an username, then password, register, we are taken to the another form. Here we can enter the details. This is for our personal details. Here we can enter our address, phone number and email contact details. And here we can enter our board our qualifications, like for if it is 10th, give the checkbox 12th. And here we can select our board and country. Then here the meter shows that 100%, 80% is over, and we can use this to upload the file. And this is that to show that the checkbox that everything is filled. And this is for submitting, and this is for clearing. These two buttons. Now the form is created, and this is the website. Thank you for watching.